Okay, my dear students, how are you? I think you are well. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Previous class, I discussed about the structure present indefinite tense. Today, I discuss about the structure of present continuous tense. You know that I gave some homework. I hope everybody complete your homework. So, let's go and we discuss about the structure of present continuous tense. So, now I am going to write down some examples of present continuous tense. Affirmative. I am playing football. I am playing football. This is affirmative. And structure, present continuous structure, subject plus am oblique is oblique are plus verb plus ing plus extension. Full stop. This is the structure of present continuous tense. I am playing football. Affirmative sentence. I am playing football. Structure subject plus am oblique is plus oblique are plus verb plus ing plus extension. Now I give a negative sentence of present continuous tense. I am not playing football. Full stop. I am not playing football. This is negative sentence. And structure subject plus am oblique is oblique are plus not plus verb plus ing plus extension. Full stop. So, this is negative. Now, I discuss about interrogative sentence of present continuous tense. Am I playing football? Note of interrogation. Structure am is oblique are plus subject plus verb plus ing plus extension plus note of interrogation. This is interrogative. And negative interrogative. Now I clean first line affirmative sentence structure. Now I write down negative interrogative. Negative interrogative sentence amn't oblique or aren't I playing football? Football. Note of interrogation. Amn't oblique isn't oblique aren't plus subject plus verb plus ing plus extension plus note of interrogation. So this is the structure of affirmative, negative, interrogative and negative interrogative sentence of present continuous tense, and you will complete your homework about I am drinking water. You task your homework, I am drinking water from your house. That's the homework of present continuous tense, and next class I am discuss about present perfect tense. Thank you very much. I wish your best luck and you will do your duties and you will obey your parents. Thank you.